The power of LinkedIn. It's the year 2020, and you might be handicapping yourself and your career if you're not fully harnessing the value of LinkedIn. Let me show you how to do that right now. So a lot of people are on LinkedIn, meaning they have a LinkedIn profile, but so few people truly harness the full power of the LinkedIn platform. Let me explain how LinkedIn works and how you can leverage it better for your career. Here's you in the center of LinkedIn. According to LinkedIn, you're the center of the universe. And this first ring here are the people who you're first level connected with. These are all your connections. Now, the second ring outside of that are your second level connections, or in other words, they are the first level connections of your first level connections. These are your second level. And then of course the third ring around that are your third level connections. Now, you may have a fairly small network and these three rings may be kind of small. But the problem is that there are all of these other people on LinkedIn. You know, LinkedIn has over 660 million people and profiles on the platform. There are a ton of people in the universe of LinkedIn, but are not strictly in your network. This is why that matters, because LinkedIn won't show you the people that are not in your network, meaning they won't show you anybody outside of the third ring of your network. So as your network grows, this is important. As your network grows and your first levels become this, and your second level become this, your third level gets really big. And the bigger that third level network is, the more chance that the people you want to connect with, potential employers, hiring managers, recruiters, and so forth, the higher the chance that you're going to find them in your network on LinkedIn because your own network has grown large enough. Now, I'm not saying that you need to accept every LinkedIn connection, but I'm saying that you need to be a little bit more open and willing to broaden out your level of connections, so the broader your network is, the more powerful it can be to grow your career. I'm curious what your thoughts are on that. Comment below. I'm David Pinkley, and we'll see you soon.